Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to get a refund on Trainline. So guys, the first thing that you need of course to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Trainline application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Trainline if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom, we have the search bar. We have my tickets, or an example tickets here. As you can see, we have account, and where we have everything about your account, and the search bar where you can go, of course, search for your next destinations. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and refund on Trainline. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, click on the bottom right corner on your account. And here, scroll down and find the help and frequently asked questions. Click on there and accept the cookies. And here you can see that you have a lot of things that they can help you with. So we have contact customer support, train times, ticket refunds and changes. Click on tickets, refund and changes. And here you can see everything about that. And if that doesn't help you, you can also contact the support. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. As I said, I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.